Good day everyone. Today we'll explain our laboratory activity titled Student Course Registration System using Classes, Objective, Constructor, and Scanner in Java. This program demonstrates the basic concept of object-oriented programming. These concepts include classes, objectives, constructors, method, and the scanner class for user input. First, the program imports the scanner class from the Java util package. The scanner class allows the program to receive input from the user through the keyboard. Next, we create a class called student. A class serves as the blueprint for creating objects. Inside this class, we declare three variables: student name, ID, and program. These variables store the information of each student. After that, we define the constructor for the student class. The constructor is used to initialize the student information when a new object created is assigned the values entered by the user to student name, ID, program user for the keyboard. Class also contains the method called displayStudentInfo. This method is responsible for displaying the student's information in the screen using system.out.print. In the main class, the program begins execution in the main method. Inside the main method, the scanner object created to read by user input. The program then asks the user to enter the student name, student ID, and the student program. For two students, these inputs are stored in variable. After collecting the information, the program creates two objects, student 1 and student 2. Each object represents a different student and stores their respective details. Finally, the program calls the displayStudentInfo method to print student information on the screen. To the end the program properly, the scanner is closed using scClose. In conclusion, this laboratory activity demonstrates how the Java uses object-oriented programming concept to organize data, create structured programs. It also shows how user input can be collected and proceed using the scanner class.